Hi guys, my name's Julianne and today I'm going to be giving an honest review of this cordless vacuum cleaner. So honestly, I absolutely love this cordless vacuum cleaner because it makes cleaning so much more enjoyable. I don't have to replug my vacuum cleaner a million times now around the house or have to worry about some long cord and whatnot. I absolutely love the cordless feature and it has a very long runtime. It lasts 40 minutes on full battery, which is absolutely amazing. Gives me plenty of time to clean upstairs, downstairs. It also works wonderfully on all surfaces. I'll show you hardwood in just a moment. Works wonderfully on carpet, hardwood floor, tile, where it glides super easily along the floor. It's also very lightweight, so it makes cleaning super easy and enjoyable. It doesn't feel heavy on your arm, which is awesome. It also comes with a wall mount, making it super easy to store. You literally can just hang it up in your laundry room, bathroom, so many different ways. You can use it in an upright position or a handheld position, so it's very versatile. It has this really cool attachment that's actually a 2-in-1 attachment where it has a dust brush and then you pull it down and it has a crevice tool. So this thing is absolutely amazing. You can attach it to this telescopic arm that actually retracts and then goes smaller as well to make it very versatile, whether you need to get on the roof or whatnot, or to simply just attach it to this guy right here. Maybe you want to get in the car or whatnot. So you can use it in your car, you can use it in your house, on your sofa, so many different ways. And it's also got this really cool sofa attachment that has this little thing right here, making it super, right there, that makes it super easy to glide along your cushions and even pull out dog hair and all of that not nasty gunk or whatnot that's on your cushion. So super amazing and very powerful. Comes with a charger right here that you simply just plug into the battery right back there. So super easy to use. It also comes with a cleaning brush and then a manual that has photos, which is super amazing. It has a very spacious dustbin that's super easy to use. You literally just pop it open right there to empty it. It has a little display back here whenever you turn it on. So as you can see, it shows you the power. It has 3 different levels. The first level is literally so powerful. So even at its lowest level, it is very powerful. And then also it has that display that shows you what the battery is, making it super easy because you can see it super clearly whenever you're cleaning. This battery is also very amazing. You simply just plug it in right back here to charge it. So super easy to use. And then, like I said, super wonderful on all surfaces. I'll go ahead and show you guys what I mean. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some dirt in the front so I can show you guys it in action and show you a really cool feature that it actually has. So you can see I put the dirt on the table. And let's go ahead and see how wonderful it works on hardwood. So you can see it has a light. So as you can see, it literally picked up all of those crumbs and whatnot, and it was only on its 2nd level, so it was on the medium speed, so very, very powerful. The light is super cool. It makes cleaning very easy. I never realized just how dusty my floors were until I saw that light, and I was like, wow, that totally helps whenever you're cleaning. And then also this is retractable, so you can make it longer or shorter, wherever you need. So super cool. So overall, this vacuum cleaner is very versatile, super easy to use, and makes cleaning way more enjoyable. I definitely recommend.